Hi, this is DThomas. I'm with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. It's a beautiful day here, and I'm going to show you the find of a lifetime. Here is this 2017. It's a Newmar Canyon Star 3710. Go ahead and come on inside with me. So this beautiful motorhome has about 32,000 miles on a V10 gas engine. As you can see, we have really nice leather furniture throughout. One TV here, and the small dinette area with lots of storage. As we move into the kitchen, we've got really nice solid surface countertops, convection microwave oven, a large refrigerator ice maker, and this 25,000 BTU integrated air conditioner for right after you lay by the pool all day long. You'll be in here nice and cool. Leather electric recliners on this beautiful leather couch. Come on in. I'm going to open the bathroom all the way up so you can see this is a split bathroom. So really nice for some privacy in there. We have more storage. And if you come back, we have a whole nother bathroom. So king size bed, lift up storage. There we go. And then again, a bath and a half. So this is 37 feet of very functional living. Okay, you're not going to believe this. This motorhome is under $139,000. It is totally, doable as far as finances, as far as living. You could take this out for the weekend, or you could live in it for as long as you wanted. So give me a call. We have many really nice motorhomes, very good prices right now. My cell phone number is 541-221-6345. And again, this is Diana with BISH'S in Junction City.